This video is for the 6th grade anti-cyberbullying video, assignment 1. Your partner should be on the storyboard template. First, you're going to click on File, and then click on Make a Copy, then click on OK. And then you're going to share the copy with your partner. So you're going to click on the Share button up in the top right corner. And then you'll just go ahead and type in your partner's email address, and when it pops up you can just go ahead and click on it and then click on Send. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to fill out the storyboard template, and you want to do something like this where you kind of tell what you can do in order to ask yourself about your behavior, like these two scenes. And then you want to also tell what to do if you know about anybody else cyberbullying. So that would be like, for example, in scene 7. But anyway, once this is filled out, then what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new tab, and you're going to go to powtoon.com. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to click where it says sign up for free up in the top right corner. And then you're going to click on the G+ logo that appears on the right hand side. Next, you're going to have to scroll down a little bit in the window that appears, click Allow. And then click where it says Start from Scratch. Next, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to choose a template that does not say business or pro. So for example, I'm just going to choose this one. So I'm going to click Go underneath that style. Now it takes a minute for the Powtoon to load, so just be patient. Okay, next what you're going to do is click Skip Tutorial at the bottom of your screen, and then you're going to just go ahead over to your copy of the storyboard template, and you're going to click and drag to highlight the information in scene 1, and then from here what you're going to do is hit Control-C on the keyboard. You're going to go back over to Powtoon. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the T for text. And then you're going to double click on that text box in order to edit it. And from here now you can highlight the information that's in there, because you're going to erase that, so backspace that, double click to edit, and then you're going to do Control-V and paste. And you can position it however you want to do it. But anyway, then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the T that appears on the left-hand side. Unfortunately, Powtoon has these little windows that like to pop up. I just always want to X out of them. But anyway, you'll click on the T in order to edit, and then you can choose, a different font style or size. But anyway, so then what you're going to do is click on a text effect. And so in order to do that, basically what it is it just kind of animates it in a certain way, so you can have like handwriting or word by word. So I'm just going to click on one, and it shows you what the effect looks like, and then click on Apply. Then what you want to do is you want to hit the play button in the bottom left corner, just to make sure that you have enough time for everything to appear, because the default is that the slide lasts for 10 seconds. Alright, and so now I just paused it, and I noticed that it ended at 4 seconds. So I'm going to get rid of these extra seconds right here. So in order to do that, we just click on the minus sign on the timeline. So I'm just going to go ahead and make it so that the slide only lasts for 5 seconds. So if I click and drag this little red playhead back to 0 and then hit play, I can see what it looks like. And so now I don't have that extra bit of time at the end. Then what you're going to do is you're going to add a new slide. So you do that by clicking on the plus sign toward the top left corner. And then you're going to go back and just kind of repeat the same thing that we just did. So you'd go back over to your storyboard template, you would highlight your information in scene 2, and then click and drag to highlight, Control C, click over to Powtoon, click the text button, double click to edit, and then from here, erase what's in there and do Control V on your keyboard, click the T, give it an effect if you want, click apply, and then lastly play it to make sure it lasts for the whole 10 seconds, and then to get rid of this extra time. So I'm just going to go ahead and rewind it back to 0 again. To get rid of the extra time, you'll just kind of pause it so that you know when it ends. So in this case it ended after 3 seconds, and then hit the minus sign so that I get rid of that extra time. And so you basically just want to repeat that for all of your scenes. Now to play it from the beginning, you would just click on slide 1 and then hit play. And from here, what'll end up happening is you'll notice that it plays everything continuously. And that's it.